हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू कलेक्शन ऑफ स्टडी यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के इस एजुकेशन वीडियो में मैं आपको डीएवी क्लास 5 इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस की चैप्टर नंबर 7 प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का सॉल्यूशन देने वाली हूँ। तो चलिए स्टूडेंट्स देखते हैं। रीड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस टेकन फ्रॉम द सेक्शन डी हिनाज डिटर्मिनेशन यूनिट वेयर देयर अ विल ऑफ माई इंग्लिश रीडर। देखिए यहाँ कुछ सेंटेंसेस है जो इंग्लिश रीडर बुक की यूनिट वेयर देयर अ विल के सेक्शन डी हिनाज डिटर्मिनेशन से लिया गया है। फर्स्ट है आई हैव नेवर हैड अ प्राइज, यू हैव हियर्ड ऑफ विंस्टन चर्चिल, दिस साइंटिस्ट हैज़ गिवन सो मैनी डिस्कवरीज टू द वर्ल्ड। अंडरलाइन द वर्ब्स इन सेंटेंसेस बी एंड सी एज डन इन सेंटेंस ए। नोटिस दैट these verbs tell us that the action is complete at the time of speaking। देखिए यहाँ verbs जो है अंडरलाइन है। सेकेंड में जो है हैव हियर्ड वर्ब से, दिस साइंटिस्ट हैज़ गिवन तो हैज़ गिवन वर्ब से। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं हम लोग वर्कशीट 1। राइट डाउन 5 थिंग्स यू हैव नॉट डन सो फार बट वांट टू डू। फॉलो द एग्जाम्पल्स गिवन बिलो। आई हैव नॉट राइडन एन एलिफेंट, आई हैव नॉट सीन द ताज महल, आई हैव नॉट विजिटेड अमेरिका, आई हैव नॉट राइडन हॉर्स, I have not seen Red Fort. I have not visited Moon. I have never visited Disneyland. Next देखते हैं वर्कशीट 2। Spot the difference. Look at the two pictures given below. The first picture shows Rahul's room before he left for the school. The whole room is in a mess. His mother, Mrs. Jan, tidied the room after he left. The second picture shows the room after Mrs. Jan tidied it. Now write 6 things about what has changed. The first sentence has been written to help you. Mrs. Jan has arranged the books on the shelf. She has switched off the light. She has kept the toys in the basket. She has kept the chair at proper place. She has kept clothes in the almirah. She has arranged the table properly. Next देखते हैं वर्कशीट 3। Guess what has happened? Ankita is waiting for her mother at the bus stop. As she is waiting, she listens to other people's conversation and tries to guess what has happened from what people say to each other. Follow the example done for you and guess what has happened. A boy to his friend, congratulations. I think the boy's friend has won a prize. An old man to a boy, thank you. I think the boy has helped the old man to cross the road. A child to her teacher, thank you so much, ma'am. I think the teacher has congratulated him. A boy to a lady, sorry. I think the boy has done something wrong. An old lady to the man sitting next to her, what? I think the man asked something to the old woman. Next देखते हैं वर्कशीट 4। Look at these pictures that depict different moods of some people. Let us guess why they are in this mood. The first one has been done for you. She is worried because her person has not returned home. He is crying because he has lost his book. He is angry because his son has not scored good marks in exams. She is tired because she has done a lot of work. Next देखते हैं। He is laughing because he has heard a joke. He is excited because he has got a new bicycle. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं वर्कशीट 5. वर्क विथ योर पार्टनर एंड राइट डाउन 5 important events that have taken place in the world till today. One is done for you. Man has landed on the moon. Man has traveled in space. Man has invented bulb. Man has climbed on the Mount Everest. Man has invented wheel. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. डू इट योरसेल्फ. Read the following outlines of a newspaper item. Then complete the news report that appeared in your school magazine. The results of the All India Painting Competition are just out. Tarini, a student of our school, has won the first prize. She has broken all previous record as she has been declared first in all categories. She has made the school proud. The principal congratulated her. The President of India invited her for tea. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. Sonali appeared for an interview for the post of an English teacher. She was asked some questions. Imagine yourself to be Sonali and taking help from her curriculum vitae given in the box. Write answers to the questions. The first one has been done for you. देखिए करिकुलम विटाe यहाँ दिया हुआ है. नेम सोनाली सिंह. क्वालिफिकेशंस MA इंग्लिश, BA इंग्लिश ऑनर्स, मैरिड 10 years, टीचिंग एक्सपीरियंस 10 years, सर्विस इन रूरल एरियाज 4 years, बुक्स रिटर्न टू इंग्लिश टेक्स्ट बुक्स. नाउ क्वेश्चन है, for how long have you taught English? I have taught English for 10 years. In what subject have you done honors? I have done English honors. Why have you not gone in for higher studies? I have not gone in for higher studies because I have 2 young children. For how long have you been married? I have been married for 10 years. Have you written any books? Yes, I have written 2 English textbooks. Have you ever served in a village? Yes, I have served in a village for 4 years. Read the following news reports taken from C3 The Fearless Fighter unit Where There a Will of my English reader. CN Janki swims the channel. Despite Janki's legs being made useless by polio, she has made India proud by swimming across the English Channel. The underlined words tell us of an action that is complete at the time of speaking. Read the following headlines and news reports. Underline words in the reports that tell us of an action completed at the time of speaking. Tata Tech chairman resigns for personal reasons. The chairman of Tata Tech has resigned from his job because of some personal reasons. Has resigned या underline होगा. Faster and cheaper computers developed. Scientists in the USA have developed faster and cheaper computers. Have developed underline हो जाएगा. Next है दिल्ली पुलिस brushed a gang of car thieves. The Delhi police has brushed a notorious gang of car thieves. Has brushed. Next देखते हैं. Now expand the following news headlines. International Film Festival starts. The International Film Festival has started in New Delhi. rise in deaths due to road accidents. The death rate has risen due to road accidents. Water wells in rural areas dry. The water wells in rural areas has dried. Next है integrated tense practice. Filling the blanks with the correct form of the verb given in the brackets. Sunday, as everyone knows, is named after the sun, which is worshipped all over the world. Monday is named after the moon. The moon may have been worshipped on this day in ancient days. Tuesday is named after Teen, the god who had only one hand, had lost the other while capturing a terrible wolf. Wednesday is named after Woden and Thursday after Thor. Thor, who was very strong, had a simple way of solving problems. He killed anyone who went near him at that time. Friday is named after Thor's mother, Frigga, and Saturday took its name from Saturn. Find the correct word to fill up the blanks given below. Mount Kanchenjunga is a mountain peak in the Himalayan range. It is the third highest peak in the world and is known as the Deity of Sikkim. This peak stands to a height of 8,598 meters and was first scaled in 1955 by a British team. But now some people are objecting to the fact that so many people claimed to climb the mountain peak. They believe that just as no one climbs the statue of any god, in the same way, no one should climb Mount Kanchenjunga. By climbing the peak, people are insulting it. तो स्टूडेंट्स, इसी के साथ हम लोगों का सॉल्यूशन वीडियो कंप्लीट हो गया। यदि आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए और यदि आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल पे प्रेस कर लीजिए, क्योंकि मैं आपके लिए ऐसे एजुकेशन वीडियोस लाती रहती हूँ। यदि आप किसी और सब्जेक्ट का एक्सप्लेनेशन या सॉल्यूशन वीडियो चाहते हैं तो नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कर दीजिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।